Hi everyone, my name is Jesse and I'm running to be your VP Postgraduate next year. I am excited to show you my commitment in 1 minute if elected. First of all, I will improve the public transport system for students, especially those living and working in Heath Park, by lobbying with the university and Cardiff Bus to open a bus route that connects the main campus to Heath Park. In terms of student experience, I will focus on students who are undergoing one-year programs and international students by introducing the Starter Pack scheme and promote events around the campus to ensure the best experience to you. I'm also committed to provide an inclusive platform for postgrads to explore future job prospects, as well as standing for teaching PGR students. Last but not least, I will focus on seeking financial assistance for postgrads, along with funding for student wellbeing services such as Nightline. Please follow me on Instagram at Jesse4VP for further details. If you're interested in my ideals, let your voice be heard and vote Jesse4VP.
Shemai, hi, I'm Angie. I'm a master's student in medical engineering and I'm running to be your next VP Postgrad. During my time at Cardiff Uni, I have been representing students in different ways. While being a student rep and president of the Engineering Society, I have been working towards improving your student experience from many points of view. Now I want to go the extra mile and represent the postgrad needs. My key manifesto points include transparency, community, accessibility, and an environmental friendly student experience. I want to campaign for increased scholarships, bursaries, and hardship funds because I believe that education should be accessible to everyone, which is also why I want to work with the Students with Disabilities Officer and review the accessibility of our resources. Moreover, I want to ensure that PGRs are timely and correctly paid. Bringing winter graduation and ensuring a positive environment for mental health amongst all students, especially postgrads, are also part of my main priorities. You can check the rest of my manifesto points on my Instagram at Angie for VPPG. Remember to vote Angie Flores #1 for VP Postgraduate students because, Angie cares.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukul and I'm running to be your next Vice President for Postgraduate students. Currently I'm studying Data Science Master and also representing them as their academic rep. I have decided to run for this position because I believe that the academic journey should be a pleasant one and less stressed out. So here I have come with 3 simple agenda. The first one is that I want to bring flexibility into the deadlines of the examinations and the coursework, and also want to build a robust system for re-evaluation. The second point I want to focus on is that active teaching inside the classroom so that learning can be fun, and also the classroom teaching should reflect your feedback. The third point I want to focus on is that you should be less stressed out finding an accommodation near the university. So increasing the number of accommodation for PG is my priority. So please do come out and vote between 14th to 18th of March. Please follow my Insta account Mukul for VP Postgraduate, and please follow the hashtag Mukul for VPPG. Thank you.
Be the change you wish to see in this world. Hello everyone, my name is Maanaav Rajput and this philosophy inspires me to run for the position of Vice President Postgraduate Students. With time being a major constraint for a postgraduate student, I find myself incapacitated to deliver justice for the role I aspire for. To highlight a few things I wish to work on is to lay a solid foundation of communication between the committee and the postgraduate thought and research community to deliver dynamic solutions, to expand facilities for more and better in-person teaching, to collaborate with the committee to provide a bus service which runs exclusively for Cardiff University students, and to avail more scholarships on postgraduate courses in light of the post-COVID scenario. I would do for the fraternity what I would want to see being done for myself. I would strive hard for excellence while respecting the union and the university. So, it would be my great honor to serve as your Vice President.
Hi everyone, my name is Wendy Muganda. I am vying for Vice President Postgraduate role. I humbly request for your votes during this campaign season. My manifesto is centered on 3 C's: collaboration, cohesion, and change. On collaboration, I intend to work with other sabbatical officers to have postgraduate-centered activities so that they can get more involved in the different activities within campus. On cohesion, I intend to have joint activities for undergraduate and postgraduate students within the same faculty. This will create a mentorship platform where students can learn from each other. And on change, I intend to have continuous engagements with the postgraduate students to ensure they have sufficient and available academic and welfare support. Head on to www.cardiffstudents.com/elections to find more details about the elections. Elections begin on 14th March and end on 18th of March 2022. I humbly request for your votes again, Wendy for VP Postgraduate, Wendy for the 3 C's. I humbly request for your votes again and thank you.
Hi, I'm Janet Williams. Leadership is an opportunity to observe, and it was with this vision I aspire to be your next VP Postgrad. Better access to support for all postgrads, including mental health and financial. Contracts for postgrads who teach to be finalised. Undergrads, are you taught by postgrads? Help support them. Undergrads, do you want to become postgrads? I will smooth the way with information for you. Success to me is not about an individual achieving. It's about letting others achieve. It's about letting others to enable their dreams. I have 4 years experience representing students in Cardiff, Wales and at the UK level. So, from Jomec to the Heath, from Cateys to the Doctoral Academy, I am the right Jan for the job.